Tantan man got a little pickup. Are we gonna break them apart?
No, we're not. We're gonna do it like this.
Just toss them in there.
Toss it.
All right. Dang. Do we want them to stay upright?
As long as they get in there. I think sure it's all gonna pick up. I think I got 3 signs of 1 type 3, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So long as I get it all in there.
Ooh, nice throw.
See that?
It's that golf swing. It's that golf swing. I see them hips.
I can make it stop, check up, spin and stop.
Oh gee. Oh yeah.
Man.
Let's see. That a little rusty, but you know what? I like it. See,
hey,
that one takes a little skill to over the truck.
Over the top.
Dang, good thing this ain't a sport.
I get fucking gold medals and ribbon.
Ooh, that was good. That was good. Hey, will you eat a burger from Wendy's?
I don't eat at Wendy's.
Well, I know you say you don't eat at McDonald's.
I don't eat McDonald's.
No Wendy's either?
I haven't ever eaten. I've been there maybe 2 or 3 times my whole life.
Really?
Same with Burger King. I eat Burger King.
It used to be like that for me back in like 2011.
Yeah.
I didn't really eat Wendy's. I really don't now, but
Yeah, I don't either. I don't eat Wendy's. Darby's pissed me off. I'm not eating there no more.
dang, why they piss you off? Just change locations.
They quit having potato cakes. That's all they can do. That's what I said. That lady said, I said, no, I take that. She's going to have them long heaven, sir. I said, like, you out? She goes, no, we're carrying them, period. I said, really? I said, man, I'm going to quit coming here. I said, yeah, because I don't like anything else you got for potatoes. She goes, really? I said, I don't. And I said, do what you got to do. So I can make a long story short.
Dang. What do you think about like curly fries in general, as a general
I
fry?
don't mind the curly. I just don't like that powder shit they put on. It's like it's
They put a seasoning or something?
Yeah, it's got seasoning.
Really?
Red on there. Have you ever seen a red French fry? Come on.
Cajun one maybe.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I don't like that crap. But anyway, that's just me. So I quit eating there. Sometimes I really eat a whole lot of. I eat a Whataburger, a lot of burger places that cook it right there where you wait and not.
That's hypocritical, because you talk about your chicken being done in 30 seconds at that Brahms.
Yeah, they grill that chicken. They tell. I can get, before I order it, the wind it's already waiting on me. They've already cooked it. They like the shit out of it. But it tastes good.
It does.
But I like grilled chicken, but I don't like McDonald's hamburgers. I just don't eat that shit.
I can see why, because they don't have like a lot of burger taste. Even like Freddy's.
Like I'll eat a Red Robin burger. I like Red Robins.
What about Freddy's? You know how it's very thin?
Yeah, it's all right. I eat that.
It's all right. Yeah. Dude, that's like my favorite type of burgers. That
Freddy's?
Very thin. Yeah, not to say like they're my favorite franchise, but that type of burger.
I like Five Guys. Really? Here you one of those? Costs like $13, but man, it's good. It's juicy.
Mm-hmm.
They hand you that sag, man. You can see the grease
on the bottom, right?
That all around the side. All that shit. Feel like Kurt took a picture of that Heart Attack grill in Las Vegas.
I seen that. If you're over 350 pounds, I believe you eat free.
Is it really? Kurt's sitting there and he's back next to that fucking table.
Did he go?
Yeah. But then he fucking had a stroke last year, or the year before last. Probably fucking heart attack grill. He was smoking.
Hey, your butt worm medicine fell.
Huh?
Your butt worm medicine fell over here.
Those my anal ones.
Look at that swing. Oh, young Tiger Woods over here. Hey, that's backwards, bucko. And it's not that way. I thought you were the OG. What's going on? Is it about the end of the day?
I'm dyslexic.
You're dyslexic. Yeah, let me give it a little meat. Oh, there we go. It's just budging now. There we go.
Pretty good. He's a man.
You know it.
The third most powerful earthquake in Oklahoma's recorded history jolted the northern part of the state this weekend.
I had it, too.
Let me push on this instead of pulling on it. I have like 3 in here.
I only need 2.
Cool.
Well, I'll take 3.
Just like that, we're done. Well, I'm done. He still has to put the stickers on.